Today, I will discuss Activity 13.4, number 3, FOB Destination Freight Prepaid. Now, i-recap lang natin, no? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng FOB Destination? Tama. Ang ibig sabihin ng FOB Destination ay matatransfer ang ownership sa buyer kapag natanggap niya na ito. Okay? Meaning, during in transit pa lang yung goods, okay, wala pang nagaganap na transfer of ownership at mananatiling kay seller ang ownership ng goods. Okay? So, sino dapat ang magbayad pag FOB destination? Si buyer or si seller? Tama. Since ang goods in transit ay owned pa rin ni seller, dapat si seller ang magbayad ng freight. Okay. Next, check naman natin to. Freight prepaid. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Sino ang actual na nagbayad? Si buyer or si seller? Tama. Ang nagbayad ay si seller. So, ang mnemonic natin dito ay, tandaan nyo lang na prepaid. Ibig sabihin, nagbayad in advance. So, sino ba ang may first contact sa carrier? Tama, si seller. Okay, siya yung may kakayahang magbayad in advance. Okay? That's why free prepaid, si seller ang ang actual na nagbayad. Same time, FOB destination, si seller din ang dapat na nagbayad. So in this case, wala po tayong special accounting treatment dito. Okay, let's now proceed to the problem. On November 1, 2025, XYZ Company received a sales order from a customer for a product worth 100,000. The company shipped the goods on December 25, 2025. The customer received the goods on January 5, 2026. The shipping costs amounted to 1,000 pesos. The company collected the receivable on January 20, 2026. Sige, mag-journal entry na tayo. Ano yung i-journal natin noong November 1? So, ano bang nangyari noong November 1? Nakatanggap daw ng sales order si XYZ Company. May dapat ba tayong i-record? Tama. Wala. Wala tayong dapat na i-record. Kasi sales order pa lang naman, wala pa namang sales na nangyayari. Okay? Or wala pang sale na nangyayari. That's why wala tayong i-record. Next, ano naman ang i-record natin sa December 25, 2025? First, ano bang nangyari? Okay, very good. Ito, the company shipped the goods on December 25. Binigay na sa pantalan or sa carrier ang goods. So ngayon, may record ba tayo? Okay. Well, since matatransfer yung ownership sa destination pa naman, okay, hindi pa tayo magre-recognize ng sales. Okay? Pero wala ba tayo dapat na i-record? Meron. Okay? Kasi nagbayad tayo ng freight. Okay? So, ang journal entry natin ay, okay, anong i-credit natin? Cash. Kasi may lumabas na cash. Magkano? Tama. 1,000 pesos. Ang tanong, ano naman ang ide-debit natin? Tama. Prepaid freight. Okay? Bakit sir prepaid freight at hindi freight out? Kasi hindi pa nare-render ng carrier ang service, which is ang pag-deliver ng goods. That's why asset pa siya sa part ng supplier or sa part ng seller. Okay? Magkano? Ayun. 1,000 pesos din. Okay. Next, ano naman ang i-journal natin sa January 5, 2026? Okay, anong nangyari? Natanggap na ni buyer ang goods. So, may transfer of ownership na ba? Yes, may transfer of ownership na. Okay? Pwede na ba tayo mag-recognize ng sale at accounts receivable? Tama, pwede na tayo mag-recognize ng sale and accounts receivable. That's why credit sales for 100,000 and debit accounts receivable 100,000. Okay? What if nagbayad yung customer ng cash? Anong ide-debit natin? Debit, cash. Okay? So, since hindi pa nagbabayad, debit, accounts receivable. Actually, meron pa pala tayong another entry noong January 5, 2026. Okay? So, since na-deliver na ng carrier ang goods, okay, i-recognize na natin ang prepaid freight. So, paano i-recognize ang prepaid freight? Credit. Tama, i-credit natin siya. Okay? Ayan, magkano? Tama, 1,000 pesos. Next, anong i-debit natin? Tama, freight out. Okay, magkano? Tama, 1,000 pesos din. So, yung prepaid asset natin is naging expense na siya. Okay? Kasi na-deliver na ang goods. Ano naman yung journal entry noong January 20? Okay? So, since na-collecta na natin, okay, debit, cash. Okay? Magkano? Tama, 100,000. Next, anong i-debit natin or i-credit natin this time? Tama. Okay? Credit, accounts, receivable. Okay? Magkano? 100,000 pesos din. Di ba? Ang dali. Gets ba? Yes, sir. So, next we will answer FOB destination freight collect in another video.